Welcome back to Make It Yourself One. And today, this is my update on my DT400, and it's been slowly coming along. So my cylinder was terrible, and the bore was terrible. The piston, I don't even know where the old piston's at, but it was awful. It was burnt. The rings were shot. There was burns all the way down the side of the cylinder, all the way into the wrist pin area. There was big scores inside the sleeve there. So I went to our local shop, and they used to bore cylinders, but they don't any longer. And they recommended a guy named Eric Gorr. Prominently displayed on my toolbox, Eric Gorr Racing. And so they gave me the number to the guy. I called him up, and Eric was extremely friendly on the phone. He's up in Wisconsin, and he said, yeah, it'd be no problem at all to bore my cylinder. So I sent it up to him, and I asked him about getting a piston. He said, don't worry about the piston just yet. He said he'll measure up the cylinder, he'll bore it, and then he'll match the piston with the bore. So it was about $50 to have the cylinder bored, and I went ahead and sent it up to him. He bored it all out, ran a hone through it, chamfered all the ports, and man, I see absolutely nothing in here except a beautiful cylinder. And then I've got myself a piston ready to go, and so the whole thing was, it took a little while. I had to box it up. If you go online to Eric Gorr Racing, and you can fill out a form on there. You download it and print it out on your computer, and then fill it all out, give him a call, and then he'll give you information on what the things you need to do. One of the things I had to do was, he said to make some sort of base to go around the bottom of the skirt, because he says a lot of times those get broken off in shipping. So I did that, sent the cylinder up to him, and on my cylinder, he went ahead, bored it, honed it, chamfered all the ports, sandblasted the whole entire thing. Somebody, prior to my son buying it, had taken a chisel down here, and so Eric went ahead and machined all that out so it was all flat, and gave me instructions on what to do on the cases in case they were jacked up. And so I have absolutely no reason to believe this isn't going to work exceptionally well. And like I say, he was easy to deal with. I talked to him on the phone, told him I had a YouTube channel, and asked if he would mind if I mentioned his name and what he did to my cylinder, and he said that was fine. And part of the reason I want to do that is because when I was looking for Eric Gorr Racing stuff, saw lots of websites, quite a few comments, and but I didn't see a whole lot of videos. And I'm sure they're out there somewhere, but I didn't see a ton of them. Anyway, if you go to ericgorr.com, I think he'll be able to take care of you, and I think you did a fantastic job on my cylinder. And this is the next step. We'll be painting this, and we will be splitting the cases on the DT, and we'll be going from there. And hopefully we'll get this engine up and running, stick it in the frame, and be good to go. Thanks a lot for watching.